Okay, welcome to 3.5. Networking is the airspace your armor flies through. It connects everything securely and keeps traffic under control. VPCs create isolated private networks within AWS. Subnets, gateways, and route tables control traffic flow. Security groups and network access control lists serve as shields against threats. Route 53, CloudFront, and Global Accelerator manage routing and speed worldwide. If you recall the dogfight scene in Iron Man, Stark flies through turbulent airspace with precision and speed. Your VPC is that controlled airspace. Your security rules the defense system, and your routing tools keep data moving smoothly. Networking is your HUD for the cloud, total visibility and control at Mach speed.